Wow, this would be historic. Elon Musk and the CEO of Coinbase have suggested that the US should use blockchain for all its spending. This means that $6.9 trillion of US spending each year would be recorded on a decentralized log. What does this mean? Let us clarify. We're not going to discuss this in detail, but anyone in the crypto business knows how blockchain works and how it is changing things. You can't create fake things, right? Everything is clear, and that's what makes it great. Now, you see people like Elon Musk and the CEO of Coinbase, especially Elon Musk, who has a strong link to the Trump government. Could this actually happen? These people want the United States to succeed in cryptocurrency creation and for it to reach a wide audience. Is this possible? Think about it. Imagine a world where all US spending is recorded on the blockchain, so anyone can see it. In the past, people who had questions or worries could get answers immediately. If numbers didn't seem clear before, they are now because you can track or write them directly on the blockchain. This would be really big for the crypto world. Please share your thoughts in the comments below about whether you think this could happen soon. But welcome back to the CryptoZX channel, of course, to the XRP community. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your help. As we approach Sunday morning, the market looks positive with many stocks showing gains over the last 24 hours, and I doubt anyone is unhappy about that. We're excited and want to make sure things settle down, but we need some confirmations. A good day in the market is always helpful. Remember, it's the weekend, and prices can be more manipulated since CME futures are closed. But right now, no one is complaining about the price of XRP, which is up 3.2% at $2.47. Bitcoin is also up 3%. Its market cap is $143 billion, with about $3.4 billion in trading volume over the past 24 hours. Before we continue, I want to remind you that anything shared on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own study before investing in crypto. On-chain real-world goods are becoming more popular. Analysts expect that as BlackRock and JP Morgan promote tokenization, the total value locked in could reach $50 billion this year. There is a big change happening in the crypto world, which we've been discussing for a while. This change is exciting and significant. As we move forward, take a look at Coinbase's STC Task Force roadmap. They believe this is where real change is starting to happen. This is very promising, and I've mentioned this to you in a recent update when the roadmap was first shared. This is groundbreaking. People wanted truth and fairness, and now that's starting to happen. Many people are excited about this, and I believe it could bring big changes to the whole business. Many people feel confident about the future, especially with the growth of new ideas and creativity. It is important to have clear plans and guidance like the Crypto Task Force established by the SEC. This is a positive development that people want to see. They say we need clear laws for stablecoins, market systems, and the news about the Crypto Task Force. Exciting things are happening for sure. Ripple CTO believes that big companies will soon start using XRP. Here's the latest news. The XRP ledger is getting ready for a big growth in DeFi decentralized finance. We are about to see banks buying a lot of XRP. Some people might get too excited about it, but we need to put the pieces together. Remember, we've talked about needing proof. We need to find proof. We need to find pieces of the puzzle that fit together. If you've been paying attention, you can see that more and more governments and big institutions are starting to use blockchain technology. And the amount of adoption is unlike anything we've seen before. In the past, people used to pray for times like this, and now we're actually experiencing it. We've been discussing the idea of a super cycle since the last bull market, and people often wonder why it would be different this time. It's important to note that in previous cycles of cryptocurrency, we never saw demand as high as it is now. Not only Bitcoin, but we are also seeing new ETFs being launched, and there may be a chance for ETF approval soon. If that happens, this just changes the game. You are witnessing a huge amount of money entering the crypto markets like never before. This really changes everything. At that point, talking about a super cycle doesn't seem too strange or impossible. The puzzle pieces are coming together, and I'm getting more excited about what's ahead. But look at this. Tokenization is going to overtake the US economy. Cash is going the way of the beeper. I'm not saying whether this is good or bad, but it is happening. Tokenization is definitely on the way. Governments and big institutions are seeing how valuable the blockchain industry can be. It helps remove a lot of unnecessary things from our daily financial activities. Things are really changing, and we're seeing a big shift happening. Tokenization is leading this change. Now, let's focus on what's going on with XRP's price as we move into Sunday morning. I talked about this in my HBAR post if you saw it. The power is dropping quickly again, which is a good sign. It's not a good time to get too excited right now because dominance is still very high. If it drops to around 59.9%, we might have a different discussion based on what Bitcoin does. When it comes to Bitcoin, it's not making the kinds of movements we would like to see, to be honest. I've noticed that for Bitcoin to succeed, it needs to rise above $98,000, hold that level as support, and then move past $102,000. That's the level I'm focused on. We could be feeling excited, but right now there are many fake outs and abuse in the crypto market, which is also affecting the wider market. Right now, I need to remember a few important things. Also, we should consider that it's the weekend, which often leads to more manipulation than normal. Let's see what happens on Monday. Check the current price of XRP. Let's check the hourly chart for XRP's price. It looks really good right now. To be honest, XRP is trying to rise to an important price level at 23.6. It looks like it's on its way there, but right now, the buying pressure isn't as strong as it was before. The current market manipulation is affecting many altcoins, including XRP. However, from a recovery perspective, things are looking good, and I'm impressed with what I see. If Bitcoin can increase its value and its market dominance falls, this could help push XRP back to that 23.6 level, potentially leading us towards the all-time highs. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, you all know about the red zone, which is at 23.6. I see this as the highest point ever. We're going to discuss the possibility of reaching all-time highs in this area. It's not ridiculous to consider that. I like what I see. It shows a lot of positive progress. You want to see the test go down to the 23.6 level, and we are getting really close to that. It's about a change of roughly 3% from our present position. Let's take it one step at a time. As I mentioned before, there's no need to get too excited about Bitcoin right now. Yes, authority is decreasing. Bitcoin rose a bit in the last 24 hours, but we need more evidence to be sure if this is a real change in direction. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Love you all. See you later in CryptoZX, and peace out.